Hi everybody, welcome to another video of Lego Kid. Today I was supposed to be filming with my buddy, but I can't seem to find him anywhere. Seemed to disappeared.
Hi.
Where did you come from?
I think it's like a trapdoor somewhere under this rock. Yeah, a trapdoor. Yeah. A bit
No, never mind. But let's carry on with the video as in nothing has never happened.
Never.
But today we are going to be reviewing the Lego Liebherr 42100. So yeah, let's get into it.
We need the controller up, don't we?
So
it's on the disc right now.
This Lego is controlled by a phone, and you can do a lot of stuff with this.
You can move it
So
forward, backward. You can move the crane that side.
And you've got loads of decorations here. You've got all your pipes. It doesn't do anything.
The pipes are just decorations.
Yes. This is based from the real thing in the mine, the stone mines actually, to be precise. Yeah. And you can do 360s on these. This is really amazing. I mean, what does it feel like controlling this?
It's really fun. It doesn't cost anything, I think. Does it?
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't cost anything. It's a really fun app. If you have any like Lego Technics things with
hubs,
with hubs inside, those charger things, something like that. I forgot what the name was. You can attach it to like your phone. So the phone sends data to that hub,
and the hub sends data back to the phone.
And the phone controller.
If you were to show the phone to the viewers, and people, if you have a look at this area right here. So Philip, come here. This area here, and if you have a look, there's a gyroscope built in,
which shows how much it tilts. If you don't know what a gyroscope is,
it's a mechanism which
shows if something is tilting or not.
Yes. So it sends data back, and also you've got different faces. So here's one face, which I personally don't like. I don't think it does anything. And the funnest thing is you got the one-touch controller. If you do the
So you could with the one-touch move the whole thing down, up. I normally move it down a bit. Then move this part up a bit.
So you may be thinking,
like it's going to be soon.
What is this little hatch? Well, it's actually where the engine is. In the real
big
thing.
Engine.
Yes.
Which is massive in real life.
Yes, and this is where the engine is, and it's not the real engine, obviously, but the real engine's up here.
And
you've got these smoke things.
Smokers.
They
send all like the overheated gas inside and outside.
Yes.
Or something like that.
So correct.
Scientifically correct.
And
I'm not a scientist. No, I'm not a scientist.
No, he's not. He's terrible at science.
Yeah, so
yeah.
No offense.
No offense. So let's wrap it up for this video, and I would we are going to be filming
a second video.
Yes. Showing the other features, the other amazing features of this
cool
Lego. So
Liebherr.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I'm alright.
Yes, you're right.
Good.
So it's time to wrap it up for this video, and
hope you have fun.
Hope you have a great day, and goodbye. What do you think?
No! I think I got a doctor, so doctor appointment. I better go. Bye.